Hi guys, so today we'll be doing an unboxing video for an IRWIN pipe bender that I got from Toolstation. It's also available in Screwfix, but I just wanted to share my experience of unboxing it. It's always fun, you know, when you're unboxing any kind of tool. I've used majority of these tools before, but it's always fun to have a new tool. That's about it really. Alright guys, enjoy the video. The IRWIN Hilmor pipe bender. So this is what you get on the outside. The box isn't too strong, but once you open it up, I'll show you what you see. So we have the profiles that come with it. I think this box is alright. I'll probably be keeping this. This is a 15mm former. This is the 22mm. And you get the instructions with it as well. This pipe bender is about 60 or 70 pounds. This one, everything feels solid, and that's why I got it. I don't think I have ever had any crimps or any crinkles on the pipe, and these are the only two sizes I use anyway. Usually on the other ones, the clips they're so rough. When you're bending the pipes, what would happen is you would get like a little dig mark inside the pipe. It just doesn't look nice. With this one, I've noticed that you don't get one of those dig marks. It just keeps the pipe clean. When we do come to bending them, yeah, we shouldn't have any problems really. It should work. I really like it, to be honest. So this is all you get, and how it feels like any other bender, but it's a bit more high quality, I would say. There's no physical, you know, attachments or anything you need to do. This is all a part of it. You don't need to, you know, do any tightening or anything. It's just straightforward. You start bending really. Just wanted to show an unboxing of people who haven't bought it. You're stuck between the two benders. One option you've got is the £39 one, which is pretty much the exact same thing as this, but it's just unbranded, I think. It just feels a bit more rough. This one is a bit more solid, and I've not known anyone who's used this and it's gone wrong. I've actually seen the other cheaper ones, they've either bent some of the parts or something's gone wrong, but with this particular one I've never seen it go wrong. There's a lot of people who are using this one. It's really mobile as well. You don't need to carry it, you know, you don't need to carry a big chunky bender around with you. It's just really like probably about 2 kilos, 3 kilos, probably about 3 kilos. And you know, you can just put it in your van, you can put it anywhere you want really. It's convenient and easy to store as well. Whereas the other one, I bought one last year, and that one was massive. It had 15mm, 22mm, I think it had 30, 35, 50mm as well. A 50mm pipe is about, you know, this much, I think. I've never needed to use a 50mm pipe, so these are the only two that I will be using, so it makes sense for me to be keeping this one, and I think I'm going to be using this on like a daily basis. It's always good to be able to, you know, bend around pipes, you know, as opposed to using solder joints. It's you know, you don't want to be soldering the smaller pieces of pipes, so this is always handy. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on this, I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video. Yeah, definitely give it a like, follow us and stuff on here. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this.